northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kildare, or over Palatine, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Matala, Lake Bluff, Hawthorne Woods, Deer Park, Highwood, Winthrop Harbor, Round Lake Beach, Deerfield, Haynesville, Grays Lake, Highland Park, Inverness, South Barrington, Gurnee, Vernon Hills, Buffalo Grove, Libertyville, Russell, Waukegan, Wadsworth, Third Lake, North Chicago, Palatine, Grandwood Park, and Forest Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA Weather Radio.